So guys, in this section I'm going to cover trading ideas, trading patterns, bull and bears in the Tradenet course, so stay tuned. In this part of the Tradenet section, they're going to cover some trading patterns. If it is a bull or a bear pattern, they're going to cover some kind of trading ideas, which will kind of give you a step in the right direction to implement in your trading ability. And why I like this section is it's probably one of my favorites. It goes into good detail on these areas, which is crucially important. Some of the other courses I've done haven't got as much detail in this section, so that's one of the other reasons why I'm a big fan of Tradenet so far, and especially this section. So as I said before, they do teach you kind of bull and bear patterns to watch out for. They also kind of teach you to read them on an intraday basis and a swing trading basis to get in that mindset, and also kind of to break down on what time frames you should be watching, because that is a common question I get asked is, what time frame should I be watching if I'm swing trading or day trading? Well, if you're day trading, you should be kind of watching the 5 to 15 minute. If you're swing trading, you should be watching the kind of 1 hour to 1 day chart, even up to a 180 day chart, depending on the system you use. If you're share trader, their day chart is equal to the same as the TD Ameritrade 180 day chart, so kind of don't get confused there. It is the same patterns that you're watching. So all the patterns are kind of covered on the basic end of the scale in this section, so which is good. Keep your eyes out for these when you're paper trading. Put them into play and get used to kind of watching these patterns. In the trading idea section, I wish it kind of went into more detail in just this section of trading ideas. He kind of only teaches you to kind of trade a breakout stock and kind of trade the support and resistance lines. Both very basic techniques in trading, so it's good to kind of get an understanding of these trading skills that you're doing. But they are kind of basic, but they're important to know, and they will be kind of one of your first strategies of trading, is looking for these patterns to trade. Granted, I wish there was more in it, but Tradenet probably don't want to overwhelm you in the basic course by giving you too many patterns and techniques to look out for, but that's kind of one of the faults I'd say. I wish it did contain a little bit more information in the trading ideas. Guys, if you are thinking of Tradenet course, there is a link in the description below, and there's also a 5-day demo trial challenge, so go click the link.